$1.3 million sitting in my Phantom wallet, and it's not from trading garbage coins. I made this by launching them. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how I pulled it off. I used to think I'd get rich sniping meme coins on launch, but all I got was rugs, dumps, and zero gains. Every win was luck and every loss was fucking painful. Then I realized the truth. The real money isn't in buying coins, it's in launching them. You control the timing, you control the liquidity, and you don't chase pumps, you create the pumps. Since switching to launching, my profits literally exploded. And if you're still trading, you are doing it backwards. I just want to be clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so let's go. Pump.Fun launches sound cool until you realize your coin's one of hundreds dropping every hour. It's overcrowded, no one sees your project, no one buys it, and it dies before it even starts. Create Tokens.Fun fixes that instantly. The second you launch, your coin is already listed on Raydium, and because of that, Dex Screener picks it up automatically. You don't need to fight to graduate your token. It's already tradable, already public, already getting exposure. That's the difference. Pump.Fun makes you invisible. Create Tokens.Fun makes you market ready, right out the gate. That's why I don't waste time anywhere else. Alright, when you're on Create Tokens.Fun, you've got two ways to bring your meme coin to life. First method, from scratch. You create it like it's your own brand. Think of a name that hits hard, choose a symbol that feels right, and upload a wild image that grabs attention. The site walks you through it, step by step, no code, no stress. But let's be real, the second method is where things get interesting. Click on the Copy Trending Coins tab, and boom, you'll see a bunch of projects that are already going viral on Pump.Fun. Except here, they've been filtered. That means only coins with volume, buyers, and hype make it through. So instead of guessing what might work, you're stealing plays from what's already working. You pick one, relaunch it on Raydium, and because Raydium lists it instantly, you get traction right away. No need to wait for some bonding curve or market cap milestone. It's direct to buyers, direct to volume, and if you time it right, direct to profits. Time to run it. I'm going with this coin right here, $38.6 thousand market cap. Last buy hit 5 seconds ago. It looks active. I'm not hesitating. Connect your wallet right now, right here. It's really simple. After that, hit create coin. You'll get a warning. Ignore it. Every single person gets it. Confirm right here. Confirm on your sound. Confirm, and then let it load a few seconds. Boom! Click on view on source scan just to make sure it's on the blockchain. Yes sir, tokens live, minted and verified. Now let's go add liquidity and make the coin tradable. Now your token and your Solana balance should already be selected. If not, just pick them right here. Set token A to 90%. That's your coin. For token B, go with 0.3 to 1 Sol. I'm choosing 0.4 Solana. And you are not losing this money since you are the first buyer inside your own coin, so you will get it back later. And then click on create pool and confirm in Phantom, and then simply just refresh. Then scroll down and boom, the vanity chart or fucking coin is popped up on the Raydium Dex pool. We're up $40, $50 in profit. Click on view on Photon. And boom, now the coin is live. It's at a $15,000 market cap, 17k in liquidity. It's actually insane. Let me go see the transactions. We're getting fucking buys and sells every single second. Wait, these are bot buys. But yeah, why is it so low, the buys? Yo, why is it so low? It's kind of suspicious. No, 150, 250, yeah, no, never mind. Okay, it's so fucking volatile. We're getting buys every single second. The vanity coin is actually insane. We have to stay calm, okay? We have to be looking at the liquidity and the volume, okay? To check your profits, come back to Create Tokens.Fun. After that, click on refresh. And boom, we're up at $1.7 thousand, okay? I'm gonna give this coin around 5 minutes and we're gonna see where it's at, so be right back. Okay guys, I'm back at my setup. It's at a $15,000 market cap. It peaked at like $30,000, $27,000. That's not bad, bro. Yo, I went to eat, and yeah, I missed this big opportunity. I could have cashed out here, but yeah, whatever. Doesn't matter because I have millions, right? Hypothetically. Yeah, so the coin is dead. The volume is at 100,000, liquidity 17,000. Sometimes I think we're higher than before, I'm not sure. But anyways, come back to CryptoTokens.Fun. Then we're gonna click on refresh. And we're up $2,400. Now, to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much you want to remove. If you choose to remove 100%, you're basically walking away with $2,400. I still believe in the coin, so I'm gonna do 30%, 32%, whatever. Same thing. Remove the liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 4 SOL. Now click on confirm. And boom, we just removed 32% of the supply. And if you want to remove the rest, just do it again. Obviously now, if I open my Phantom wallet to prove that I am actually legit, boom, 4 SOL is in my wallet. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It would help the channel a lot. Please and thank you. And now bye.